This video is about Fed January FOMC meeting, the press conference, the speech, what Fed said. This is important because this is first speech under Trump's second term. And this is just beginning of Trump's second term of New Year 2025. But trend in Fed monetary policy before and after election, that is extremely important. They paused interest rate immediately after Trump entry. Now question is what will happen next? So they leave policy rate unchanged. QT is still happening. They are running an experiment and it is failing once again. Biden increased debt, but Powell playing a trick here. They did QE increase balance sheet size like this. They are decreasing. So they are thinking by decreasing balance sheet size, they can decrease effect of debt spending. But that experiment failed. Let's see what happens next. So this is the reason they are doing QT, they are doing rate pause. Still, thing like gold, they have no effect. S&P 500 is sideways, but gold vertical, and Bitcoin also sideways. So March FOMC meeting will be important. What they say about QT, but end coming soon. They are saying economic activity continue to expand, and they're talking about GDP for 2024 as whole. They forecasted rate cut in December 2023 FOMC meeting. They give permission to pricing rate cut, and finally they did a big size 50 basis point cut in September FOMC meeting. Officially they did cut in September, but market began pricing in beginning of 2024. And now they are saying economy is solid because they were fighting against recession in election year at cost of high inflation. So maybe rate pause is not enough. Let's see what they do next. So long-term inflation expectation well anchored. So their economic indicator, we show inflation expectation. They are not showing red alert, but gold is inflation has if you use as long-term inflation expectation. Next week you have Powell speech. Before that, you have seen market reaction to Trump tariff. There is a bank run, big physical gold buying against their tariff drama. So if Fed was waiting for market reaction, then they have the reaction. There is a big panic for trade war. They have said as well as measure from financial market. So if you use as inflation expectation as indicator, then I don't think Fed will love to cut interest rate in rising inflation expectation. Because COMEX price for December 2025, it has goes up more than $3,000. This is before implementation of those tariff. If they begin trade war same like 2019, then imagine what can happen. We already have rising inflation and we have big shocking change in inflation expectation. This is not time when Fed can cut interest rate. Another important thing in this speech you saw 5-year review of monetary policy framework. They are talking about change in inflation target. It is coming. Previously it was 2% hidden. New one is 3%, which market think maybe it can 4% like RBI, but change in inflation target is coming. So what they learned last 5 years, it is part of history now. Powell was wrong about inflation all the time. They said is transitory, failed. They cut rate very fast for Biden election. Now confirm that mistake by rate pause immediately after election. You can see they are saying 2% long run inflation goal will be retained and will not be focus of review. Law of inverse, Fed no means yes. Maybe they don't reveal their new inflation target, but one thing is sure, it has changed. It is higher than 2%. We'll do everything we can to achieve our maximum employment and price stability. That's my NFP and CPI goal, your stagflation formula. So election over, nobody need to keep NFP strong. Now constantly comment are coming from Trump about Fed interest rate. You can see they asked and Fed reply. Fed has not meet physically from Trump. No contact. Biden was running Fed all the time. Aggressive hike like Walker. They did vertical hike in 2022. Then premature rate cut forecast in 2023 and ultimately cut before election in 2024. But now this is saying no physical contact with Trump. So this Fed is highly political, influenced by president. But law of inverse, Fed no means yes. There were few change in monetary policy statement. Now question is, what is the message? Removal of line from statement that inflation had made progress toward 2% goal. We are not going to interpret too good or too bad reading or mean to send a signal. Because recent inflation, they were coming as expected. Not big change compared to expectation number. So that's why they paused. If inflation keep coming lower than expected number, maybe cut can come in June FOMC meeting this year. And you can see recent FOMC meeting, inflation expectation across number of measure rise sharply linked to tariff concern. The recent week, you saw perfect market reaction to Trump tariff and there was shocking change. You saw real market crash in SP 500. Monday market opened immediately. Tariff trade was delayed for a month because they cannot see market crash. And outside risk to inflation, you saw big explosion in gold price. There is physical gold FOMO buying just to hedge against tariff. The trade war, you means 2019 memory. So this was concerned before market reaction in last FOMC meeting, and this week new Powell speech. Before that, they have total market reaction. If they start trade war, same like 2019, inflation rise or not, that is one thing, but inflation expectation will rise very fast. And this is a big red alert for Fed. Because of that, there is a possibility Fed give hawkish speech. You know, Fed have obviously said there is no physical contact between Trump and Powell. So they are obviously saying we don't know what will happen with tariff, immigration, fiscal and regulatory policy. This is all organization in May 2024 FOMC meeting. You know, Fed explained how many presidential cycle Powell seen in Fed, but they don't know fiscal policy. But everyone know trend is fixed before and after election. in each administration in their fiscal policy. Before election, always ultra loose. Immediately after election, very tight. And recently, you have seen Elon Musk Dodge department. They are cutting government spending. The things you see after election, not before election. But Fed is behaving like kid. He know nothing. Actually, are not really beginning to see much. So Fed always do clown, so there is no different than any other set of policy change at beginning of administration. Trend always same. Not to be in a hurry to get place of understanding what our policy response should be until we see how it play out. So they want to see how it play out. So they have big market reaction to tariff war. Nobody want to wait for change in CPI number. Trade wars mean big inflation expectation. You can see Fed is saying there is lot unknown about what this administration fiscal policy are actually going to be. So for beginner macro trader who like fundamental based trading, they have give you key points: tariff, immigration, fiscal and regulatory policy. These four things you have to work and you can become pro macro trader. Fed no means yes. We feel like we don't need to be in hurry to make any adjustment. You can see Fed is officially saying has been our practice over many administration. We are working to align our policy with executive order policy where they will make sovereign wealth fund. This is first time in USA and it will be biggest. Everyone know they cannot decrease debt, almost impossible. So they found a new way. And they also cannot return to gold standard. So sovereign wealth fund is only option they have. So this Fed as organization know each administration what they do after election. They know very well. You know, if you remember Barack Obama's second term, what they did exit policy from JILT. The first time rate cut to zero and first use of QE. But they exit policy immediately after election in second term. Same thing did Biden in 2021, exit from 0% interest rate to more than 5% and end of QE. But after election, different thing is in second term of Trump, you don't have 0% interest rate, you don't have QE. Rate is higher, above 4%, and they are doing QT. So how they will exit from pre-election ultra loose policy? So Fed was in wait and see mode based on policy that comes out of this administration. That fear, that panic, that market reaction to Monday trade war, I don't think they will try trade war same like 2019. If their plan is to cut interest rate, they will make sure inflation does not explode. You know, last FOMC meeting, Fed talked about Teal book. This first FOMC meeting of this year, again Fed is saying 5-year-old Teal book. Clearly and directly, Fed is saying something to read. 5-year-old Teal book, 2019, when there was real trade war and inflation problem. So you can see Fed is saying don't act until you see much more than what we see now. So those deportation, there will be big change in US labor market. Let's see how NFP react. But those people or outside US border. So before March FOMC meeting, or more clear, you see June FOMC meeting this year, everything will be clear. Now, direct talk about Elon Musk Dodge department. They are cutting government spending very fast. Before election in 2023, you saw big government spending. Effect was explosion in QE trade. After election in 2025, you are seeing big cut in government spending. Because fiscal policy, magic thing, for rate cut to work, somebody need to decrease debt. Same like for rate hike to work in 2022, Biden increased debt. So they are saying what further progress look like for consumer. Inflation was about 0% all the time. For Fed, for Wall Street, charts look like this. Vertical up, vertical down. But for middle class, since CPI was more than 0% all the time, it is going up and up. So ordinary person still have rising price. Progress for ordinary person is not working. Because for Fed and Wall Street, inflation went up, went down. That was your CPI chart. But until CPI does not fall below 0%, turn negative, that rising line for ordinary person will not turn to downside. So that question from Fed, we have seen global trade war before, notably in 2019. Same memory, same policy maker. That's why there was big explosion in inflation expectation. They delayed trade war for a month, the tariff, but market seeing as big panic. So you can read 2019 Teal book. Fed repeatedly talking about Teal book for last two FOMC meeting. Not new, repeat of 2019. So let's see when they will end QT. I think in March this year, either they officially announce or give clear hint QT and coming. So now Fed is saying when they will start cutting again after pause. Wait until inflation fall back to target to cut again. Law of inverse. Fed no means yes. I would not say that. We have never said we need to be all the way at reducing to target rate. You can see how many times they use the word tariff in this speech, and clearly Fed is saying read those Teal book 2018, lot of work already done. 2019 period. SP 500, Bitcoin, gold, everything trading at all time high. So is there asset price bubble or not? They talked about in September FOMC meeting, cheap money era. They're talking about January FOMC meeting, asset price bubble. Let's see what happened next in Trump 2.0. So you can see once again Fed is saying we are not going to change inflation goal anytime soon. So now time to say bye bye to your 2% inflation target. You can see Fed is saying clear in end of this speech. You want people to be knowledgeable about, want household to have chance to understand risk they are taking.